Stop by and take a look at 2021 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, rear wheel drive. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, lane departure warning, child safety locks, power steering, pass-through rear seat. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.